Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to migrate Megascans from Unreal Engine into UEFN, and after this tutorial you will be able to migrate any Megascans into UEFN and solve all errors. If this makes sense, let's jump right through it. So I just create a new blank project inside Unreal Engine and I'm gonna open Quixel Bridge. For this tutorial I'm gonna download one 3D asset, one 3D plans and one surface and one decal. So I'm gonna just download this rock here. I'm gonna using medium quality. This means there are 2K textures, and 2K textures are also the max texture size inside UEFN. But if you want to know more about textures resizing inside UEFN, you can watch my other tutorial as well. Make sure by migrating you need to also migrate MS preset folder, because this folder includes some material functions and some placeholder textures, and these textures and functions are needed inside UEFN. So here I'm gonna just open a static mesh. I'm gonna just make a collision and I'm gonna just drag and drop inside the scene and see what kind of errors do we get here. So as you can see, there are some errors here with the material function transmission. There we have errors with placeholders. And now I'm gonna just open the material instance. I'm gonna scroll down and open the material function here, and for example I want to locate this texture. This is a default diffuse texture and this texture doesn't exist here. And now I'm gonna repeat the same process inside Unreal Engine, so you can see the difference and better understand what is happening. Okay, this is a location, and this is also why we need this MS preset folder inside UEFN. So I'm gonna close this. So now I'm gonna just open MS preset and navigate to MS textures. All the placeholders are here, but we need also a default diffuse one. And I'm gonna just use these virtual textures. I'm gonna copy paste. And now I'm gonna change the virtual texture to normal texture. So the next step, we need to reapply all the textures. You need to check out if these textures is linear color or just color. Placeholder, and the same step for normal. So I'm gonna just apply, and now this we need to make the same for all of the functions. As you can see, the functions are also giving us error. And I'm gonna just look for the tiling, material functions, tiling, and now really important is to look for tiling MS default class material. And I can also apply a material function for fuzz. And the last one, I need to check the material function adjustment. I'll search for this function. I need to also open this function and look inside if there is also something for reapply, like textures or nodes. Okay, here is a transmission. We got this error with transmission, so we need to reapply this function as well. And for example, if you open this custom rotator function, you will see this is located inside Epic Games functions. So these functions, some of the functions are applied and some are not applied, so we need to check all of this. And also this texture here, it's a black placeholder. I will apply this. I'm gonna just apply and save. Close this. Apply and save. Map adjustment. Apply and save. Default fast function and also instance. And now I'm gonna launch a session. This should work as well. As you can see, the project is uploading. There is no issue. So for the next, I'm gonna open the 3D plants, and here we have 2 material instances, and we need to reapply all of this. I just drag and drop these 4 static meshes into the scene, and I'm gonna launch a session to see what happened here. And as expected, we need to fix all of these functions here, and I'm gonna just speed up the process a little bit. But what we need to do is basically the same thing as for the first one, but here we have one function which is not supported in Unreal Engine, and you will see we need to delete this as well. I'm gonna just apply this, I'm gonna upload this, and you will see there is no issue anymore. So basically you need to repeat these steps for the billboards material and also for surfaces. And here I'm gonna just show you material instance for surface. I just applied this to one mesh, and here you can change the tiling, for example, and you can change also colors. Yeah, and let's go into Fortnite to see how this looks like. Okay, inside Fortnite I did enable the wind function for foliage, so you can see, but I didn't create collision except for this one. So here is the collision as well, and yes, I did make collision for this one as well. Yeah, and this is basically it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you have any issue or trouble, you can contact me on Discord or leave a comment, and I can make separately the part 2 for decals and surfaces as well. Leave a like and make sure to subscribe. See you guys.